Okay. So today we're gonna start with four cornering this car. I've been wanting to get back into the suspension and make sure it's all taken care of. So and slow. There we go. Okay. So we're gonna get into this Ride-Tech suspension because I need to make sure everything's buttoned up, and I've got a little trimming to do on the inside frame rail for this coilover clearance, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a minute. So right now we're going to go ahead and just start disassembling this deal here. There we go. Okay. So, get the steering arm out of the way. However, there are some washers in there, stack washers. You need to get out. Make sure they don't go flying across the garage. So, put the castle nut on there. Okay. Now, go ahead and get these brakes off. Spacers on those. Okay. There we go. Alrighty. Man, that is a handsome setup, is it not? So, anyway, the way that these are put together is, you can see that the brake ring itself is tied in through the back of the hub unit, and this is a real solid unit right here. So what will end up happening is, if you notice, there's a real tight amount of clearance right here. So let me get a light. Hang on. Oh, hang on one second. Let me go find a flashlight. Okay. So, if you notice, that's a real tight clearance there. So what I'm going to do, effectively, there we go, is come in and cut out material out of there, and out of the shock tower hole itself, and do that on both sides of the car, and get everything squared up. So I'm going to have to pull these cotter pins and get some stuff out of the way. I think I'm going to go ahead and take the control arms out completely. That way none of the nothing that we're cutting ends up messing it up. So, all right. So anyway, that's where we're at on this part.